Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up M-Pesa. We'll cover the essential requirements, guide you through the activation process, and show you how to start using its key features. This comprehensive guide will help you understand everything from registration to making your first transaction, ensuring you can confidently manage your mobile money. To begin your M-Pesa journey, you'll need a Safaricom SIM card registered in your name. Make sure you have a valid national identification card or passport ready. Head to any authorized Safaricom agent with these documents. They will assist you with the registration process, ensuring all your details are correctly captured and verified. Once registered, you will receive a confirmation SMS. To activate your account, simply dial *234# from your Safaricom line. Follow the prompts to create your secure 4-digit M-Pesa PIN. Remember to keep this PIN confidential. After confirming your PIN and accepting the terms, your M-Pesa account will be active and ready. With your account active, you can now deposit funds at any M-Pesa agent. You can easily send money to friends and family, pay bills, or purchase goods and services directly from your phone. Always remember to check your M-Pesa balance regularly to keep track of your transactions and available funds. Enjoy the convenience of mobile money.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.